What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So here's a little bit of a SHIB update for everyone because we know that the entire market is moving. So it's great to see Shiba Inu make a move as well. But we wanted to go through what we are seeing and how it's getting back to a form of normalcy and what we used to see with cryptocurrency or with just Shiba Inu in general. Not even looking at the entire market, just understanding that Shiba Inu really would flow differently, especially with all of the investors that were into it, all of the believers, all of the people that wanted to see things absolutely skyrocket and gain not only hundreds of percent, but also like thousands and tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands and maybe even millions of percent, right? We're looking to gain a hell of a lot with positions like these because they provide so much of an opportunity to grow, so much of an opportunity to make something of your investment. So anyways, guys, we're going to go through an investment or go through this investment today. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryAK, you can follow me there. Also, if you guys want to, check out my Patreon, feel free to follow my Patreon, as well as any of my other YouTube channels that are down there. We have different updates on cryptocurrency and crypto news and stock news and just all types of news stuff. So go ahead and check it out. But anyways, I wanted to start this video by mentioning that you commenters on YouTube, I see you. I see you. Literally a day ago, I had a bunch of people, or maybe it was a couple of comments that came through that said, you know what, SHIB will never burn that zero or never drop that fifth zero. And I said, okay, we will see. And it seems like what people do is they comment with like whatever they feel is like, not saying it's the harshest thing in the world because it's not really crazy. It's just like giving their opinion. But it's has no type of substance or backing to it to say that it will never happen. But they come and say like, "Oh, you're stupid. Like you will never be correct. You are never correct, and SHIB will never burn that fifth zero, and it will just continue to drop down, and we'll see even lower lows, and we just won't get there." Well, who's to say that we won't see a retracement? I'm not saying we won't because you always see retracements after large gains within the markets, but I hope that it continues throughout the rest of the weekend. But I wanted to mention that I wasn't wrong by saying that we would drop a zero. That was the main purpose of the videos, saying that we would drop a zero. We officially dropped a zero, and I looked for the comments because I wrote down the names. I looked for the comments. I'm not going to say who they are, but I looked for the comments. I would have said it if I would have had a picture of the comment because I would have showed it. And they're gone. Why are they gone? Because I was right. So those comments are gone as it did burn a zero or as it did get to a point of dropping a zero. I saw that those comments weren't there. I wanted to take a screenshot yesterday before things did get to a level of dropping a zero, but they deleted the comment because I know I responded to the comment and now that comment is no longer there. So anyways, that's what they did. I don't know who you are, but you know who you are. And it's just interesting to see that you don't stand on your word and don't go and say, hey, you know what, I was wrong, because you were. We did drop a zero. Who's to say that it won't get to a point where we regain that zero, because it has been dropping a little bit from the high point of point 0.000011 or 1100. But we're definitely seeing a lot that's going into it. So anyways, let's get into Shiba Inu. Let's show you exactly where it is. I spent the first 4 minutes really talking about how people were wrong. I'm wrong too, and I'll show you some different things that I am wrong with another video that's coming out. But anyways, if we look at Shiba Inu, it's currently at 0.00001039. We did officially drop that other zero where we saw it at a low of 0.00009478 in the last 24 hours. We have seen the market cap grow. You're seeing the market cap at a $5.7 billion market cap. Fully diluted is a $6 billion market cap. And the most important piece that we can get out of this is the volume. Volume is very important in the crypto space, right? Because we need to see a ton of volume to see a ton of movement. Obviously, we want to see positive volume, but if we look over here, we're going to see that volume is at $644 million, up 73% in the last 24 hours. That's really, really good. And the good thing I like to see about that is 11 million of that is going through DEX volume. 625 million of it is going through CEX volume. We obviously need to find a way to, split that a little bit more evenly, especially when it comes to launching Shibarium. But there's a lot of hype around Shiba Inu, not just because of the markets that are running, but because of the launch of Shibarium, the launch of the metaverse, everything that we really want, and hopefully having a solid Shiba Inu use case or burn rate within these platforms. And then we could see things absolutely flourish, absolutely skyrocket to way higher levels than where we were and get back to a form of normalcy, not only by volume, because this is where we usually hover for average volume in like more of an average market, because of the amount of holders that you have. But I would hope that we see it price wise. We would see a 0.00003. That's what I want to see it get to, because that's like right in the middle, from where we were at some of the highs of like 0.0008 or 9. Like we're getting to a point to where it's a little bit lower than the midpoint, but average for where we were holding for quite some time. Up above and below that 2,000 mark, 3,000 mark. That's what we were really looking for. But in due time, if we look at the contract, let's see if we added on any new holders. It looks like you actually have lost holders. So 1.279 million people that are holding. And this is what I mean by saying we will see some form of a retracement, because what people do is they invest at some of the lowest points that they could possibly invest, which could have been 8,000, I believe. So 0.0000 or 5 zeros, 8,000. I think that was the lowest point. It might have even gotten lower, but they invest at those lower points, double their money or add on 70% or 80% or something like that. And now they can take whatever profit they want. And that's what you get with a lot of swing traders, with a lot of day traders that come in and out of the position, and it's going to happen. But you still do have about 1.3 million holders within the position. And as you see more growth, you're probably going to see not only people that are coming on, but you're probably going to see more or less people that are, getting out, because of the fact that they're able to capture some profit finally. And that's why I say that you will see a retracement, not only with Shiba Inu, but with a lot of things, because people are wanting to capture some sort of profit, especially during, tax season where people have to pay taxes and all that stuff. So hopefully we could see nothing but positivity. But it's not normal to see nothing but positivity in cryptocurrency. We expect to see some form of retracement. So anyways, guys, Shiba Inu officially dropped to 0. And I wanted to let you know that I was right there. I expected them to drop a 0 because the volume was looking good. But did I expect volume to be this high? If volume was this high, I expected it to kind of push up a lot further than that. But we must see a lot of people that are getting out of the position. I mean, you can see that the holders are decreasing. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.